special people who always tries to give, who makes this world a better place just by the way you live. You try to care for others, you do the best you can. If anyone is in need of help, you are there to lend a hand. You never ask for anything or want something in return. You are happy helping others and you truly are concerned. I can't thank you enough. There's no sufficient words to say to someone who always gives and hardly ever takes.
Teachers are the flame of knowledge. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. When I am finding for a person who gives me manners, I got my teacher like my second mother. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. When I am finding for a person who gives me knowledge, I got my teacher like Goddess Saraswati. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. When I am finding for a person who makes my mind creative, I got my teacher who is artist like a god. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. When I am finding for a person who gives me confidence, I got my teacher like my best friend. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. Teachers are the flame of knowledge. When I am finding for a person who come in my life and change my life, I got my teacher who settled my life and helping me in being a best person of the world.
Teachers, selfless dedication towards a student. It is a work harder than a president. 40 students and 1 teacher, but doesn't get irritated round the year. A student can be nice or irritating, but teacher's behavior is always loving. Teaching from home is not easy. At home, they are very busy. Then also, they are taking out time to make our knowledge well and fine. Whether headache or fever, for us to break, they are saying never. In 5 hours, we are losing power, but they are working for extra hours. They are standing for whole day and showing us the right way.
Teachers are a blessing from the God. Be thankful that you got. Without them, there would be no development. That would be a huge disappointment. Teachers are precious for us all. Without them, there would be a big fall. You will start respecting them after realizing that they are a gem. No one can disagree that they worked hard. Without having the thought of being free, they became our future's guard. Never forget the ones who made you survive, not like the other tons who made you thrive.
आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, आप हमें समझाते हो, हम बच्चों का भविष्य आप ही बनाते हो। जीवन के अंधेरों में रोशनी दिखाते हो आप। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं, जीवन जीना सिखाते हो आप। जाति धर्म पर लड़े न कोई, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते हो आप। सच तो यह है, अच्छा इंसान बनाते हो आप। ही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये सब जताते हैं आप। झूठ क्या है और सच क्या है, सब समझाते हैं आप। जब समझता नहीं कुछ भी, राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप। जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप। बंद हो जाते हैं जब सारे दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबें ज्ञान है नहीं, जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप।
करता करे न कर सके, गुरु करे सब होय। 7 द्वीप 9 खंड में, गुरु से बड़ा न कोई। मैं तो 7 समुंदर की मसीह करूं, लेखनी सब बदराए, सब धरती कागज करो, पर गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे फ्रॉम विद्यानगर इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल फैमिली। थैंक यू।